All right, guys, break number 4 from the Hit Parade Limited Baseball. This is the last box we've got of this. This is from Series 13. So box 97 altogether, and every spot gives you 3 random teams on this. So Alan, you've got 1, Joseph H with 1, and then Dean closed us out with the last 8 spots. So Dean catapulting himself into the Mickey Mantle giveaway here at the end of the night. So let's go ahead and randomize all 30 teams. You get 3 teams per spot. Excuse me. All right, so 3 teams per spot. Let's randomize this 5 times as well. All right, here we go. So, Alan, you've got the Padres, the Twins, and the Reds. So Padres, Twins, and Reds. Joseph's got the A's, the Phillies, and the Rockies. So, Dean, you got everybody else. You got the rest of the 24 teams there. So, A's, Phillies, and Rockies for Joseph. Padres, Twins, and Reds for Alan. All right, so let's go ahead and pull this. So box 97 in this one. See if we can finish with a banger. I feel like we pulled him once before, or something similar. It's going to be a Zach Veen for Colorado. This is a Bowman's Best Power Producers, numbered to 99. And there it is right there, Colorado Rockies. So somehow Dean had 8 of those 10 spots and didn't end up pulling the hit. So not a bad auto. He's supposed to be a stud. So Joseph, that's you, man. So we'll get that in the mail to you tomorrow. On Monday. And appreciate you guys joining us on this one.